Right here in front of me is a green Palo Verde tree. Notice that the bark is green as well. It's one of the few trees that can produce chlorophyll in the bark. It is exceptionally dry in the desert right now, so this tree doesn't have any leaves. This in front of me is a buckhorn cactus. That's a vicious plant right there. You gotta watch out. Some people say it'll reach out and touch you. I'm not so sure about that, but I've been on the business end of those and it's no fun. I do not recommend that. This in front of me is a creosote bush. It's so dry right now that you really can't tell much about it. Probably dead. Some of this stuff just actually looks dead. This is another, I believe, creosote bush right here. It's got thorns in it. They call the creosote the rain bush because when you touch it, it gives off an oil that has some type of a scent to it that people say smells like a rainy day. Of course, I'm always on the lookout for rattlesnakes. You never can discount that snakes might be around here. Certainly would not want to get into one of those, even though I am fairly close to Phoenix and fairly close to a hospital. Still not a good thing. This is a barrel cactus. It's about a foot tall, a little over a foot tall. As you can see, it is pretty much grown out of that rock or that dirt that is as hard as a sun-dried rock. I'll show you a saguaro in just a minute. This is a smallish saguaro. You see it's young. It only has the main trunk, although it's about 12 inches thick up at the top. Down at the bottom it's only about 7 or 8 inches thick. Look at the spines. That cactus is not to be messed with at all. Yet some animals live on those. Birds nest in those arms. And I know there are a variety of rodents and what have you that actually eat it. They store water for long periods and they can make it through the horrific drought periods out here like we're seeing right now. There's a lot of vegetation out here that I have either forgotten the name of or really never knew. in the first place. But it's nice to be in the desert again. I've been fortunate that I was able to remember quite a bit relative to the places that we used to live and the places we used to go, some of the fun we used to have. The first time I ever saw one of those teddy bear choyas, and I'm going to try to find one to show you, I reached down and touched one of the pads and it immediately broke off, and I reached over with my other hand to take it off and it immediately stuck to that hand as well. And so effectively both my hands were stuck together and I wasn't able to get free of it. Thankfully my dad was with me. He had a pocket knife. He opened his pocket knife and got a hold of it and just flipped it, and it ripped those spines out, and I was able to get free. Had he not had the pocket knife, he might have been stuck in a three-way cactus trap. So, but you know, you live and learn.